Hello, and welcome to Talk Angel. This is a podcast where you improve your English by listening to real, calm, and meaningful conversations. My name is Angel, and I'm your host. Here, we focus on clear English, natural expressions, and real-life communication.
Hi, everyone, and welcome. My name is Liam, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
In today's episode, we are talking about how to speak English with confidence in everyday life.
This is not about speaking perfect English. It's about speaking comfortable English.
Before we begin, let me ask you a question.
Have you ever known exactly what you wanted to say in English, but when it was time to speak, the words did not come out?
Or maybe you started speaking and suddenly you became very aware of your accent.
This happens to many English learners.
Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build. Before our main conversation, let's look at some key words and phrases you will hear today.
We will explain them simply, and then you will hear them again in context.
Vocabulary 1. Confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself and your ability.
For example, I speak English with confidence, even if I make mistakes.
Vocabulary 2. Self-conscious.
Self-conscious means being very aware of yourself, often in a negative way.
For example, I feel self-conscious about my accent.
Vocabulary 3. Fluent.
Fluent does not mean perfect. It means speaking smoothly and naturally.
For example, she is fluent in English, but she still makes small mistakes.
Vocabulary 4. Fear of judgment.
This means being afraid of what other people think.
For example, my fear of judgment stops me from speaking English.
Liam, let me ask you something honestly. Do you think confidence in English comes from grammar or from practice?
I think confidence comes mostly from practice. Grammar is important, but confidence grows when you use the language.
I agree. Many learners wait until they feel ready.
But the truth is, you never feel fully ready.
Exactly. Confidence comes after you start speaking, not before.
I remember when I was learning another language. I understood a lot, but I was afraid to speak.
What were you afraid of?
Making mistakes, sounding strange, people laughing.
That fear is very common.
Yes, but I realized something important.
What did you realize?
Most people are not judging you. They're focused on themselves.
Listener, let's pause for a moment. Think about this question. What are you afraid of when you speak English? Is it grammar? Is it pronunciation? Is it your accent?
Your accent is not a problem. It is proof that you speak more than one language.
Let's talk about practical ways to build confidence. Not theory, not motivation quotes, real actions. Strategy 1. Speak slowly.
Many learners think confidence means speaking fast. That's not true.
Speaking slowly makes you sound thoughtful and clear.
Strategy 2. Use simple sentences.
Complex sentences do not make you confident. Clear sentences do.
Simple English is powerful English.
Strategy 3. Accept mistakes.
Mistakes are not failure. They are feedback.
Let's do a short example. Imagine Liam is speaking English at work.
Okay?
Hi Liam, how was your weekend?
It was good, thank you. I rested and spent time with my family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it was relaxing.
That conversation is simple.
But it is correct, natural, and confident.
Confidence is not about sounding like a native speaker.
It's about being understood.
Your goal is communication, not perfection.
If people understand you, you are successful.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. Take your time. 1. Why do you want to improve your English? 2. Where do you want to use English more confidently? 3. What is one fear you want to release?
You don't need perfect answers. You just need honest answers.
If you are listening to this, I want you to know something. You are already doing something brave.
You are learning, you are trying, you are growing.
Confidence grows quietly, one sentence at a time. Thank you for listening to Talk Angel.
We are proud of you for practicing today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Come back tomorrow for another English conversation.
Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and believe in your voice.